So welcome to another video of the series Python 0 to Hero. In this video we will see conditional statements like if else. We will mainly focus on if else statements. Okay. So the usage of if else is to check if a specific task is being executed or not while running a program. If the condition satisfies, we do a specific set of program or task, else we ignore it. So let me show you basic syntax. If, or let me better. If let's say our task gives the value true, then we will do this steps. Else, okay, actually it should, yes, we will do these sets of tasks. Okay, it's a simple structure of if else. Or we have one more thing can be added, that is elif, then again condition, then do this set of tasks. Okay, this is the basic structure. So let's see the usage practically. Let's say we have a value holder named value that will take input for an integer. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we took the value of input of for this value and now directly print it. Your age after 5 years will be, then comma, value plus 5. It's a basic program. When we run this, it asks what's the age. Let me enter my age, that is 17. What after 5 age will be 12. एक second. Value plus 5. Hmm, something is wrong here. Something is really wrong. Plus है तो value plus 5 or ignore it. Who cares? By the way, correct form. I wrote in correct format. It's what it was their fault. So again we took the value, then and now we take direct input and your name. Then we will put a check if value equal to C. I didn't input anything in this. That means if value is null. Null means empty. Then print no input. What's happening to my typo? Provided. Then else there is something mistake here in this code editor. print hello and comma value. It's a basic program. Let me first show you the output, then we will run it. Enter your name. See, we got the output as hello Prakhar. Then if we again run it and simply hit the enter button without entering any value, then we got the output as no input provided. In the same way, if we don't, okay, so let me explain this. So what here we do is we take the input for the name and store this value inside the field value. Then using a if statement we check if the value is null or not using these two quotations. Now this value will be checked if it is null or not. If the value is null, then we print no input provided, else we print hello then the value. Now we have one more thing in Python that is called elif. Elif statements, like I told you earlier. Here we can also specify something that that's similar to if. Let's say if we one step is one thing can be done if else then again else if inside this else then again if. That will be a bit complex. So what we can do is we can add this statement L if then value equal to Prakhar, then print welcome admin. So we can give a check for the admin. If the value is equal to Prakhar, then welcome admin. Now it again asks for my name. Let me enter this time Yash. So it said hello Yash because first we check if the value is null or not. So as per the input, the value is not null. I inputted a name. Then it moved to second check. It said if the value is equal to Prakhar or not. Then for sure it's not. It is Yash and the value we are checking is Prakhar. When nothing is left, we check the else statement, which simply prints hello then the value. Now again, if I run this program and instead of writing name as Yash, I write Prakhar. See, this time I got the output as welcome admin because first we checked if the value is input or not. The value was not null because we entered something in this input. Then it moved to this elif part and the value got satisfied by the variable we provided. The value for this was also Prakhar and the checking was also Prakhar. So therefore the mm, checking got terminated here and the value was satisfied. Thus program stopped working and we got the output as welcome admin. That was basic about if else. Now let me show you more logical operators that we can use in if else. Okay, let's say we give a variable called a which takes the input for enter your name again. So we will now see the types of variable. What all we see in this one, we will see in operator, or operator, and operator, and in or and. Okay, so let's start with the in operator. What we can check is, let's say if a let's say we declare a new variable called b equals to p r a. Okay, if a in b, so it's basically what it's doing, we took the input here in the a and stored the value. Then we, by default, we specified the value for b is pra. Then using a if statement we are checking if a in b, that means if the a value is inside b or not. Then if it is so, then we can print mm, or directly a. Okay, let's run this. Enter your name. Code executed successfully, but we don't got any type of output in this line. Space is still occupied, but we still don't got. Why? Because this is checking the value for this variable inside this, which is not possible because the value for this variable was Rakhar. Okay. Total number of characters here are PRAKHAR 7, and here we have 3 only. That means it's not possible. But on the same hand, if we do something like this, if B in A, like this much variable in this much name, then print of A. Now let's run this again. See, this time we got the output as Prakhar because now the condition got satisfied. This is to check if something occurs or not. Then let's try one more. Elif. What we can do is now check for or. Okay, B in A. Sorry, A. Or let me put it in curly braces. Okay, the same check we did here, like then or A in B, or here we will do B value of B found in A. Then print for second statement value satisfied for second check. Okay, then our else, also we can add as many elif. Let me add one more elif, then and. Okay, elif, let me decrease the size. Elif b in a or a equal to रख, I don't know why this editor is not giving me indentation. Condition 3 satisfied. This one looks a bit better. So let me copy it and condition 2, condition 1. Okay, so as again like we did earlier, I will give the input for this a variable as Prakhar, and let's see how will these checks will occur. If B in a PRA and PRAKHAR, yes, condition was satisfied. Then Elif B in a, the same like yes, condition got satisfied, or A and B. This will give output as false. This will give output as false, while this will give output as true. So basically, what OR do is it checks either if this one is satisfying or this one, then it will execute this much statement. Do you understand? First it will check this, then this. If any one satisfied, then we proceed to this one. Then the end. Again in the Aleph part, B in A, the value got true. Here also like then and A equal to Prakhar, means the value that we got as input is equal to Prakhar. Then we print this statement. In case of AND, we need to got true value for this and this, both the values. The output for a boolean should be a true, not false. While in case of OR, either this or this, at least one condition should satisfy, and this, if satisfied, this will work. Okay, then we don't need to specify the as far as or better else print nothing got satisfied. Okay, empty. But when I will run this code, you will see the program will stop working once this will print. Still, you then you may ask that why it's working not working for these two more checks. Let me first run this and then tell you the reason for that. Okay, what happens? Hmm, what happened? Why it's not running? Hmm, okay, enter your name. Hmm, see, condition 1 satisfied and it didn't went to more checks. Why? In case of if else, these statements will terminate themselves once any one type of statement got satisfied. If this got satisfied, then it won't move to this one, or if this got satisfied, then it won't move to this one. This is a pro and con of if else. But how can we make such that it should check for each statement? The thing is, we what we can do is we can directly from this elif can remove elif part and make them if directly. Okay, now the code looks something like this: if b in a, if b in a. Now all these statements will get checked one by one. Okay, and but the issue became that this else part is now for only this if, not these two ifs. Now these two if are independent and won't show any else part condition if not satisfies, while this if not satisfies will show this else. Okay, now let's run this again, and as usual my name. Now we got output for the all three statements, because now we added a if else check. Now if we here instead of Prakhar I write guess, now we will get satisfied these two values for first if and second if, but for the third checking we will get nothing got satisfied, because here we check both if this value is getting satisfied and this also gets satisfied. So the first value will get satisfied because the value of PRA is in PRA cashier, but A is not equal to yes. Thus we won't get this output like we did got here. Condition 3 satisfied will not be generated this time. Let's see my name. See, condition 1 satisfied, condition 2 satisfied, and for the condition 3 nothing got satisfied. This one, because the value of A was not equal to yes. I can also print this, print of A equal to okay. So now we will get output as false also before the last output. See, we got the output as false. If you want directly, let me show you condition 1. Okay, these were for the okay, then print of A equal to B, then or let me add a better way is like this: A equal to B, then print of A equal to B, or let me add this also in quotation brackets, or A, what was our input, or B in, or let me do one by one. Okay, B in A, B in A, print of B in A, or A equal to B. Then we copy the same thing. Okay, I did a mistake. I did comma in both, and editor doesn't shoot me error. So very good. A very smart editor it is. I won't use it from tomorrow. Then this is for the end. The same can be done for and as well. Okay, so I have to write it again. So in and here also, and if in and or. Okay, all got satisfied. Enter your name. See, A equal to B. The value for B was this PRA. So it got false. If B in A, true. If B in A, this was true. Or this, see it with the or checking, it checked first for the this. For this we got the value as true, but for the second checking we got the value as false. Still, since we used OR operator in this case, it checked at least we got satisfied in this one, na? So it showed the value as true. Then if on the same case, the same query here, just a and checking gave us a false, because okay, this one gave us a true, but this doesn't give us a true. So one condition got satisfied and second one not. So the value we got was false. Easy. Okay, hope you understood the basics of logical and if else. We can, if you have any doubt, you can either ask in the doubt if you are watching this video on YouTube, you can use the comment section, or if you are using this application to watch this video, that's my application Edu Planner, you can send your message in message tab. Thank you.